is why you don't use aluminum turnbuckles. They will collapse. It's a lot of wire.
Don't let loose of this. I have a foothold.
It's ready to explode.
In this week's episode, we tackle replacing our lifelines after we discovered how deteriorated they were in the Bahamas. We just have a few more projects to get done before we can splash. When we purchased Tova, she had plastic-coated lifelines and seemed to be original. Other than the previous owner added a second layer of plastic coating you can see here. We removed the coating on the starboard side in the Bahamas and were a little disturbed of what we found.
So what are you working on?
Cleaning our lifelines and just took the covers off.
This is why you don't use aluminum turnbuckles. They will collapse. Especially when you put a 12-inch crescent wrench on it.
Are you reusing that?
I'm reusing this part.
Oh, okay.
That was my plan all along. But this was in good shape, and it had a good one of these.
Okay.
I don't remember what they're called. Toggle something.
So when do we do the crimping?
I'm probably going to make sure I have all the parts and go ahead and get them in the right spots.
Well, why are you putting that seal glide on then?
Because I am spinning.
Oh, you're putting those on.
Putting the turnbuckles on.
Okay. Shiny. Yeah, I prefer you doing this out of the water.
If we didn't do it out of the water, we could have done it in the Bahamas in about 10 feet of water.
Well, yeah. But I didn't want to sail anywhere else without doing it. Hence the word life lines. Those new turnbuckles are stainless steel, not aluminum. So we're reusing those pelican hooks.
The pelican hooks, because they run about $50 a piece.
What? That's not a pelican hook?
I said we're reusing the pelican hook because these run about $50 a piece.
And there's nothing wrong with those.
Nothing wrong with this.
Did we get the repair kit for the other one?
You ordered it from Catalina direct, so
not yet. Okay. Does that work?
It'll work.
So we have to take that outside and do that.
We do.
And where are we starting?
Let me just string out some of that cable first. And I gotta get some of the other cable out of the way. I don't necessarily need any of those. I need to cut.
Oh, to take that other off.
Yeah, that turnbuckle won't come off, and so I gotta cut that end off.
It's a lot of wire.
Voila.
Hey, that was too quick. I couldn't see it.
Oh, sorry.
Sideways. Yeah. Voila. Voila.
Voila.
So you already have that new piece of wire in there.
It's not gonna take very long. Took longer to figure out what parts we needed.
Too loose.
Way too loose.
Yes.
Can't be redoing these. I don't have any extra parts.
Did you measure the other wire?
I did, but I didn't take into account.
The bigger loop at the end?
No, I didn't pull it tight. I don't think.
That's still too
There.
loose.
That's it.
Okay. I'd probably cut the next one a little shorter.
A little bit. Anyhow,
Yeah, but there's still room to tighten it, right? Because that will stretch.
yeah, there's at least another 3/4 of an inch.
Okay,
So you're right. The next one does need to be.
shorter. Did he just say I was right? I think it's going to need one more turn back.
Look right. Pull that piece. Oh.
This was,
Yeah.
that was quick. We come from lake sailing, and all our other boats had the plastic-coated lifelines. Now that we're in saltwater, we would never have the plastic-coated lifelines again after the corrosion we discovered. This way, we can keep the rust cleaned off and easily inspect them.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Smart ass.
There we go.
Like a glove.
That was way easier.
Way easier and quicker than you thought it would be.
Yeah. Now, key number 1. Bring that back over here. Don't let loose of this. I have a foothold.
It's ready to explode.
We purchased the wire from Sailrite, 200 feet of 3/16 at $150. The rest of the parts came from Defender and were $400, for a total cost of $550. We did reuse the 4 Pelican hooks and 4 toggles. You can purchase a pre-made set ready to install, no crimping, from Catalina Direct for $1,300. Thanks so much for watching, and hit that subscribe button so we can see you next Thursday. And a special thanks to all of our subscribers who have already done that. It means a lot.